In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content summarizer using Firebase and n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what you will need. The main tools we're using in this project are Firebase, which will help us store data and manage authentication, and n8n, an open-source workflow automation tool that connects various apps and services. Before we begin building, make sure you have accounts set up on both platforms. It's quite simple. Just head to their websites and sign up if you haven't done so already. Once you have your accounts ready, let's start with Firebase. Head over to the Firebase console and create a new project. You can name it whatever you like. For this demonstration, let's call it Content Summarizer. Once your project is created, you will be taken to the project dashboard. From the dashboard, we want to set up Firestore, which is Firebase's cloud store where we'll keep our data. Click on the Firestore database option from the left menu and then select Create Database. Choose the Start in Test Mode option for now, so you can quickly prototype your app. Remember, test mode allows read and write operations without restrictions, but be mindful of security when deploying to a live environment. Now let's create a new collection. Think of a collection like a folder for storing related data. You can name it Summaries. Within this collection, we will store each content summary we create, along with the original content for reference. Next, let's jump over to n8n. After logging into your n8n account, you'll want to create a new workflow. Click on New, and you'll see a blank workspace. This is where the magic happens. The first thing we want to do in our n8n workflow is to set up a trigger. If you're planning on summarizing articles from a website, you might want to start with an HTTP webhook trigger. This means that n8n will start the workflow whenever it receives a request at a specific URL. Drag the webhook node onto your canvas and configure it. Take note of the unique URL generated. It's where you'll send your content. Now, after the webhook node, we want to add a summarizing function. You can use nodes like the OpenAI node or other NLP services that can summarize text. Connect this summarizing node to the webhook node, so when the webhook receives content, it sends it to be summarized. Make sure to configure the parameters necessary for the summarizer to work effectively. Once you've set up the summarizing node, you'll need another step that sends this summarized content to Firebase. Drag in the Firebase node and configure it to connect to your Firebase project. You can include the API key and other necessary credentials. Select the action that allows you to create a document within the summaries collection you created earlier. Map the summarized text and original content properly to ensure everything saves accurately. Finally, wrap up your workflow by connecting the nodes and enabling the workflow. Before you run any tests, double-check all connections to make sure everything flows smoothly. Once everything looks good, you can hit the Execute Workflow button to test it out. Now you can send a sample content request to your webhook URL and watch as n8n processes, summarizes it, and saves it to your Firebase Firestore. And that's it. You now have a functioning content summarizer built with Firebase and n8n. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.